All right, here we are. It's Saturday morning, and today is going to be a hell of a Tomahawk class. I've got Gibby here with us. I've got Ben back here in the background. And, of course, #1 repeat offender here in the shop, Mr. Bob Dodge. So this is going to be a hell of a class. We'll definitely keep the updates going throughout the day, but stay tuned.
Yep. 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 Thumple Stiltskin? Yep. Yep.
Yep.
Did you want to try hit next time?
Sure. Yep. Yep.
So here we are, we're driving that eye through, just getting everything set before we start really hammering on this.
Yep. Yep.
Yep. Yep.
So here we are about 40 minutes into our forging. You can see them working behind me here. What we're working on right now is just drawing or knocking those eyes out. That way we can go ahead and open them up and give it that teardrop shape that we actually want for our Tomahawk. It's still kind of a long process. We could use the hydraulic press to do this a lot faster, but I'd rather give them the experience of doing it the old-fashioned way until they decide to actually give up. But stay tuned. We'll see what course of action we actually take here later on. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back.
Yep.
Alright, so we've got a little bit of noise going on in here. Ben's actually using the hydraulic press, but everyone's managed to actually hammer out their eye by hand. We're just using the hydraulic press to set down those sides before we end up widening up our blade a little bit. And Gibby has his eye completely done. He's starting to actually spread out the blade. And Bob's actually doing something completely different. Bob's been here probably 8 or 9 times for different classes, and he asked me if we could do something very special, and I said, yeah, let's make a Japanese forging hammer, a dog's head hammer, and we're basically making tools for Bob so he can keep on doing this at home and also whenever he comes up here. But so far so good. I look forward to showing a lot more here in probably the next 2 or 3 hours. I think we're going to have most of our Tomahawks pulled out. Bob's hammer mostly done, and well, stay tuned. Look forward to sharing it.
Remember, point towards the front. I'm gonna use your hammer, dude.
All right.
Gently, just get it set. Cool. Let's go ahead and tap that out of there. Whoop. Okay. There you go. Now flip it over and go back into the heat. Like this?
Yep.
Well, the day is over. What a great class with Ben, Gibby, Bob. Everybody just did an awesome job. We've been doing these classes for what, 8 years now, and it just always feel so blessed. We always get such great students in here, and we're so thankful that people put their faith in us. It really means an awful lot. But again, today was just really good. Nothing got out of hand as it can sometimes do, and everyone forged exactly as we needed them to, and we got done in a timely manner. And most important, everybody came out with a great looking piece at the end of it. I don't know. Not much more I can say about that, I guess. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for your support here on Instagram and also on YouTube. And we look forward to making more videos and showing you what we do here in our classes and also just the work that we do here in the shop. So, with that, hope everyone has a great night, and we'll see you later. Take care.